Hi everyone and welcome back to another trading day. I'm Johan Milan and today, Friday 8 December 2023, I have a few trade setups to discuss where my favorite direction will be long on the New Zealand, the Swiss and the Yen, and short on the pound, the US dollar and the euro. The first pick of the day is a potential long on the Dow, but before we proceed, remember that trading carries risk. Never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And at the end of this video, I'll show you my favorite trade idea for today. So let's get started and turn pips and points into profits. The Dow Jones, the same as on yesterday's video, we got the steady run up the page and a big consolidation area here with still a weak dollar, which is being up and down. The news for the whole week is being dollar bearish. So let's hope it keeps going into today, Friday afternoon. But if it breaks up above that high there and then retest, I will start to get interested later today, maybe next week only, but that'll be my big interest in the Dow Jones for longs. New Zealand US, we got this trade yesterday and nice bullish engulfing yesterday morning. We had the chance on the halfway mark to get in, started to run up very nicely, retracing now. So now I'm interested. You can see New Zealand still up there, dollar down here, so I'm still interested in the retest here. If it retests this pattern, you see there's a wedge. If it retests the pattern, it might stop us out, I don't know. But if we get a reversal from here, I'll then take some longs on 1 hour and 4 hour setups. I did trail the stop loss from this low slightly higher, but I did all this on the live stream, guys, which you can watch during the day. You can come back anytime there on the live stream, seeing which trades we are in and see my actions that I take, the stops, the targets and everything. So the live stream runs pretty much from 10 o'clock in the morning until about 8-9 o'clock at night South African time. So you're welcome to come anytime to have a look at the relative strength, which trades do I have open. I stream there the whole day. So New Zealand waiting for the retracement to add, otherwise we are in the trade. It keeps running, we will go with the trade. Then the Euro Swiss, I'm still waiting for that retracement. Nice steady trend down the page. Market structure there just beyond the 61% now. But if I look at Euro there, Swiss up there, it is something I want to short. So I'm going to look for shorts up there on some pattern candle reversals or any bearish reversal that I can find up there. Mainly I use candle patterns. Then on the Euro US, it did retest my level yesterday, but it reversed on a nice dark cloud cover last night on the midnight bars. That's not something I trade at all, sadly, because it's coming down very nicely after that. But if you look at the Euro there and the US there, not one of the absolute favorites. I like them to be in different colors, but okay, this one seems fine. Euro, the black sheep of the market. I'm looking to short, so I'm leaving this level up there. I'm going to try again when it gets there, if it gets there. I'm not saying when it will go there, but if I'm lucky enough that it retraces again, it's now the morning session, it usually pushes a little bit and then retrace. The depth of the retracement we're just not sure about, but if it gets back up there, I'll get it interested, providing that the euro stays way weaker than the dollar. In gold, still the one that I want to get at $2,000 levels or just above that, 205 or 207 or 2007. Weak dollar, as long as the dollar stays weak, I would be interested in buying. So just before NFP this afternoon, I believe it should sell off a little bit, hopefully picking us up here, getting some long setups from here. But at this stage, guys, this looks bearish, just a retracement, bearish. Just a consolidation retracement. Now you can see it forms a little bit of a wedge pattern, and I don't want to identify patterns here. Patterns, this is very small, but we got the wedge. It breaks down. It's sort of a retest and wants to come down even further today. That's what I'm after. This is not bullish at all, and yes, the news can change in 2 seconds and then I'm completely wrong. But this is not about right or wrong. This is about finding levels to get sensible entries, and that's it. So I'm looking for this to retrace. Still don't know if it's going to happen today. Depends on what happens with the news this afternoon. But I'm still very interested in being long gold, but not from these levels, not based on these patterns. I need something more down here, or then more consolidation that I can do some breakout trades on. But at this stage, all look bearish, and I'm not going to buy into that. In the Euro New Zealand, same as yesterday, the retracement of this Fibonacci swing here back to that 61% fib level. You can see here Euro New Zealand still the one I want to be short in. So if it gets back up there today, I'll look for some shorts up there on some candle reversals. And in the pound cat, bigger triangle. I had a smaller one here yesterday, which did not play out. We didn't get a trade there, never got an entry. But with a pound cat, I'm good with that. Bigger triangle. If it breaks down this level here and then come back and retest and give some candle reversals, I'll then look for some shorts. I'll use for targets this Fibonacci swing here, and then I'll look for targets at 1.27 and 1.618. Then my favorite trade idea, the same as yesterday, long on the New Zealand cat. But first, please let me know in the comments below if you want me to make any specific educational videos for you. Also, if you are new to this channel and find this video helpful, you can support the channel by giving this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so I can keep making content like this for you. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to ensure you don't miss out on any of my daily trade ideas. Now on the New Zealand cat, same as yesterday, we got this big triangle forming. We got a solid break yesterday, and now we're getting the retest here. New Zealand cat. So this is the coup de grace for this move. If it moves well below this level, I'll step aside. But if this turns into a support level, I'll then look for some longs. If I look at the Fibonacci's here, I don't think it really confirms. A little bit on the 50% here, 50% there. I don't see any other market structure coming in here except for the triangle, which is not as strong as lateral support and resistance. So I am still keen. I'll look for 1 hour reversals or then 4 hour reversals here. I would not trade that. That was too early in the mornings. But from here on, I'll look at something like a bullish engulfing on the 1 hours now, or then a 4 hour reversal up the page. New Zealand definitely my favorite in this stage. I would love to be long on the yen, but that has moved very, very big yesterday. We got the opportunity of shorting the US yen and a very nice profit there. But at this stage, the second best option for me is the New Zealand still. So let's hope it keeps its strength and its sparkle. And let's see if we can get some longs here for today. But trading isn't just about my insights, guys. I want to hear from you. Drop your questions, share your experiences, or tell me which trading opportunities you're eyeing in the comments below. And I've been trading since 2003. And if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the link in the description to join my mentorship program and support this channel by opening a trading account with a trusted broker from the link in the description, which I have been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Don't forget to trade responsibly, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, trade well.